Well, from the grass and turf to the dirt, a little boy in Bullitt County making noise in the sport of motocross. Amy Zimmer heads to the track for the story.
When one thinks of a little kid competing in a sport, they may think of Little League Baseball or flag football. As for 6-year-old John Luke Lott, motocross is his sport.
You can jump jumps, and you can go wherever you want, like in the turns.
John Luke started riding when he was just 4 years old.
But I remember the first time I started riding, I had a Honda pit bike, and I think I was number 3 or 4.
Now John Luke reps number 44, and just 4 years into his riding career, he's qualified for the Amateur National Championships at Loretta Lynn Park in Tennessee.
Well, I was at a race in Pennsylvania, and I got top 6, and I got my ticket, and I made it.
The tournament billed as the world's largest and most prestigious amateur motocross race, with only the top 42 riders in the country competing in the 50cc 4 through 6-year-old shaft drive limited class.
I get chilled. I mean, to see right here when I think about, that he's accomplished so much and how much it means, and he doesn't maybe understand right now how big of an accomplishment this is. But later in life, he'll be able to look back and say, I got on the line with the fastest 42, and I made it to Loretta's. And hopefully, this isn't the last time we make it, but we'll see what the future holds.
Amy Zimmer, WJCL 22 News.